So let's get the folks in here. We are officially live, though. You know what I'm saying? For the folks watching on replay, what's goody? You should be tuning in live anyway. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
But welcome to Friday Live by the Hood. You know what I'm saying? This is our Friday show where we pull up and just have conversations with the community, talk about what's going on in the world of finance. I'm the host, as always, Jimmy. Got my partner Corey in the building. Corey, what's up, bro?
Yeah, what's going on? Chilling. Every day above ground's a good day, so I don't complain.
Yeah, man. Listen, man. I just walked to the crib, man. I'm still trying to stay away from you folks because y'all super spreaders out there. But the Stimmy,
Whoa.
listen, man. Cats are super spreaders, man. But listen, the Stimmy hit the streets and the streets of Philly look crazy right now, man. It's crab legs everywhere, man.
Yo, he just says crab legs everywhere, dog.
Yo, it's bro. Listen. I'm talking about the barbecue grills is out. It's a crazy thing to see. You know what I mean? But the Stimmy is definitely on the street though.
Stimmy ain't hit the streets yet, man.
Bro,
I ain't getting no damn
yo,
Stimmy,
a
man.
bunch of folks told me they got their Stimmy already. I mean, it could be a combination of the Stimmy, you know what I'm saying? Look at the comments, man. Y'all already wilding, man.
Yo.
Folks tapping in. Let's see what's up with everybody. We got the legend in the building. Lance.
Yeah,
what's going on? Jose, what's up, bro? Mario.
Chart guy.
Mario,
Jose.
What's up,
Mario.
Bro?
Yo, do you see these hats? These is Mario specials, baby.
Jamal, what's up, bro? Hold up. Here's the one that got me dying, man.
Yeah.
two Comma Carter here, as seen on the Jasmine brand, man. Yo, shout out to Malik, man, who put up a post. You know what I'm saying? It's funny though, because there was a clip from a live that me and him was on together, and got picked up by the Jasmine brand. He was going crazy on. My man was super viral, man. You know how I know when somebody goes viral? When somebody else I know that my man sent me that link to Malik's joint, and he's in LA. Like, yo, look at this. I'm like, that's my guy. Like, but it's also proof that they don't watch our Black Wealth Project show because he would already know that if he watched the show. But that's either here nor there. But yeah, Malik went super viral, man. The box offerings was coming online, man. It was the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life, man. You know what I mean? So,
everybody was pulling that leg out. They was trying to show the Malik that leg.
Shout out to Comma Carter, man. Hey, yo, also Malik, man, I shot you a message today, man. Let me know that you got it, man. All right, who else we got checking in with us, man? Jose laughing, man. What's up, man? How you? He said he need his Stimmy, man.
Man, listen. Listen. I'm a mind my
business. Mario told you. Mario down Atlanta. Look, Stimmy out there, man.
Damn.
Angela wants to know where's Stimmy Jimmy, man. Hey, where's Tyrone, man? Where's Stimmy Jimmy at, man? Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Adrian, what's going on? All right, we can officially start now. The God Donna's pulled up.
Donna's here. We can officially get started. Yo, man.
Bro, what's up, sis? How you?
Hey, what's going on, Nairobi?
Listen, man, I'm not lying. Yo, the crab legs is out. Listen, and the funny thing is, I'm not even being smart. Like, I was coming down the block. I was coming down 25th Street today in Philly. And there was a big barbecue going. There was crab legs everywhere, y'all. Not even lying. And if y'all think I'm lying, it's in between Indiana. It's on 25th Street. I'm trying to think the exact street it was on, but it's in between Indiana and like Allegheny. But they got the crab legs out, man. You know what I'm saying?
I know exactly what you're talking about, and I do not doubt that one bit.
Yeah, see, Angela saw the chicks on there. They was trying to do something strange for some change, man. You know what I'm saying? Yo, 2 Comma Carter became a sex symbol on the internet, man. Yo, look.
Just because he told people he wasn't buying no foreign.
Yo, Brent put the crab emoji up. You know what I'm saying? That's everybody knows.
Yo, Stimmy is extra heavy out here, huh?
Look, Adrian said that her Stimmy is going to BTH. Listen, man. I'm gonna start by saying this though. Listen, so we got multiple courses on By the Hood University, right? So we got a couple of our courses we running a special on right now. We got a lot of announcements to make. First of all, for anybody who's already in BTHU, make sure you tune in Sunday. We got a major announcement that I'm not letting go of right now. Yeah. But before that one, right now we got a special on the stock combo course, the intro to charting course, as well as the precious metals course. Yo, anybody, and tell your family and friends right now, 50% off. The discount code is Stimmy. Yo, discount code Stimmy, STIMMY.
Yo,
50% off.
Yo, 50% off for all your folks with the discount code Stimmy.
Adrian, I hope you get value from it though. Like, you know what I'm saying? We try to make sure you make the money back. So you need
Easy. We
basically
try to
it's
make it
free.
back.
It's
Listen,
free.
this is the easiest money in the world.
Let's
Discount
start it.
code Stimmy on all of those.
Yo,
If
discount
they
code
type in Stimmy, they get 50% off.
Yo, 50% off. Type in Stimmy, yo. So you know what I'm saying? That's charting. That's the stock courses. Listen, that's even a book. Own Your Time and Space. You want the digital download? Type in Stimmy. 50% off with Stimmy, man. So that's what we got going on right now. Is discount code Stimmy, man. But what's up, bro? Like, how you doing this week, man?
Man, I got I made a couple dollars this week, you know what I mean? But the crazy part is every dollar I got, I put it into my long-term position. So I ain't my I made money, but I ain't really, you know what I mean? I ain't really do nothing crazy this week. I grabbed up, I bought some discount Bitcoin earlier in the week when Bitcoin was taking a thrashing, and then I bought some ETH because I seen some news about Ethereum that made me want to hug Ethereum. So I bought a gang of ETH. I added to my staking positions, and
Mm-hmm.
then I ain't really do nothing wild. I did the play that we did with for the Sunday show, the
It's
Disney
our
play.
Sunday show.
I smacked
For
out
those
on
that
that.
seen the Sunday show, you already know how crazy this week is. You
Yeah,
know what I'm saying?
and then
What's good, man? How you? How you? And
then
real quick though, I want to say
link
real quick. I'm sorry not to cut you off, but Denise, I'm trying to get the option scores. Listen, go to if you go to Bodyhood University, bodyhooduniversity.com, and you click on the option scores, just put BTH. That gets you 50% off the
that's
option score.
50% off the options, John.
Yeah, we
Hit
got
BTA.
that's BTH. But the other courses we got right now, charting, the stock courses, precious metals, 50% off. Just use the code STIMMY, STIMMY. So that's STIMMY. Listen, what's up, Dawn? Dawn says Stimmy Talk. Yeah, you already
Stimmy
know.
Talk. Yeah, so
Crystal, I'm not gonna
then
say anything about
we
Stimmy
got an alert
Talk.
in the group from Lance damn near like 2 months ago. Dog, it was just a month ago. It was the beginning of February. She alerted BA, and then we had it alerted again in another private group, and that joint was popping. So I smacked that joint
What's
twice
it
this
get up
week.
to?
It was like 270, like 260
Wow.
something. That
Wow.
joint was 200 like 3 weeks
Yeah,
ago.
Lance was
That
talking
joint
about
went that
dude.
joint went on a ride.
Yo, here's the crazy part. I think over the last month, I've become a better trader. And the crazy part is I've become a better trader by trading less. I know that's gonna sound
Yeah.
completely insane, but my discipline has been on the beam. This is from having daily talks with Passa. You know what I'm saying? Yo, and y'all know who some of y'all know who Passa is, as anointed by Lance. Lance anointed him Passa. And the funny thing is I saw Lance say she didn't even know he really was a pastor. But he do be preaching.
He
But
really is a pastor though. That's
yeah,
the
yo,
craziest part.
but talking to Pastor like then got me like to the point where I'm sticking to the script, and it's like I'm like a machine now. So I had 3 plays this week. My play, it was 2 more plays. The main play we had in the group. So what was it?
Disney.
It was
It was
Disney.
Disney, CVS,
Those are the 3. Yeah, and Visa.
and Visa.
Yeah. So Disney, CVS, and Visa. Those 3 right there. I hit for a minimum of 30 on it. Y'all know me. I'm 30 and Gump. I'm out. As a matter of fact, on CVS, I didn't even wait for it to hit 30. It got like 25 or some change. I'm out. And the
Forrest Gump
crazy
on
part
it.
is, I was done by like Wednesday, and I was just chilling the rest of the week. I was watching stuff like, oh, that's dope. That's dope. So I mean,
Yeah. I
it's crazy.
overtraded a little bit today. I had a craziest part. I was up. I was up 17% and I didn't take my damn money. I had a QQQ put
Mm-hmm.
that I bought this morning. That joint took a dump at around noon and I was up 17%. I bought bad, was up 17% and didn't take my money. And ended up losing 15% because I had a 15% what's the name? Because I had a 30 and 15 on it. So
Okay,
I was trying, you know what I mean? So
I got
I
you.
was just gonna let it do what it do, and it ended up hitting my 15. And I was like, man, I should have took that damn 17%.
I mean, that's part of the game, though. Stephanie, what's going on? Kahan, what's up, bro? She said 269 and some change was the high today. That's insane.
That
She
joint was 250 yesterday.
she
I
slided
got
down
out
from
at
you very
250
quick.
yesterday.
Listen, Pastor know his stuff, man. Wayne said some folks will see their tax return plus a second stimmy. Yo, for those out there that's getting stimmy, man, what y'all doing with y'all stimmy, man? I want to see y'all put in the comments what y'all gonna do with the stimmy. I like to see what y'all doing with y'all Stimmy. Look, Adrian said when you take the options class, she got to change her lingo. When I hit, I slapped that John twice. Hey, listen,
Exactly.
you know what I
I
mean?
slapped on it.
That's our lingo. We
Gave my
slapped
money.
John twice. You know what I'm saying? CVS and Disney was awesome this week. Yo, both of them played out. See,
Definitely.
passes in the building. What's up? Said
Passing
waiting
you,
for the
man.
game from that handle to this cup. That bad boy gonna run. So you think it still got some more room to run?
Yeah, Lance was talking about it running to 300.
Whew. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. I didn't log in today till after the close. Okay,
Good
Crystal.
job. Look at that
Oh, man.
discipline.
Crystal usually be out there though. She be getting
Yeah,
better.
I'm a bad influence on a lot of traders, so I gotta be careful how I say stuff, man. Because I really don't be out there all extra heavy in these trading streets. I trade like 5 or 6 times a week.
Let's see. Yes, all right. Yeah, man. Buying a house from land bank. And
Oh,
which city? Which
which
city you buying it from land bank? Yo, sometimes the land bank, bro. But again, I don't know what city it is because all the land banks operate different. Um, is it a house that needs work? Like, what's the house look like you getting from the land bank? Here we go. The Stimmy money. Pay off the car. Use the payment money to invest. It's a nice plan right there.
that's a gangster plan.
Auntie Nancy says, apparently I'm buying the BTH option course for the Stimmy. Listen, yo, if you get the course and you in the group and you see what we got going on, we're gonna make sure we're gonna try to. I shouldn't say make sure, because by the way, anything we say is not investment advice. It's for education and entertainment purposes only. But our objective is when you're in the group and you around all of us, like Lance, myself, Kahan, everybody's in there. You know what I mean? Coach Carter, as seen on the Jasmine brand, we around all us.
Don, we
Yeah,
got Don. You
we
know what
try
I
to make
mean?
sure
Chris,
everybody get to the bag.
like we Leslie, like it's a gang of great traders and investors.
Yeah, man.
And
Said BA absolutely has more run to run. That chicken been baking slowly. Oh man, I'm about to look that up. See if I'm bringing that to the table Sunday. Y'all already
yeah,
y'all talking about that. Y'all talking like dinner getting ready.
yeah, man.
Long-term investing and pay off credit card, trying to get to the 800 credit score. Hey,
Man,
listen, that's something to shoot for. But what I will say is this though: once you get to a certain point, you're gonna get the same thing you get in the eights anyway. I mean, depending upon how high you are in the sevens, but it's still something to
yeah.
shoot for. I know people like to be in an 800 club because it's something to say I'm in an 800 club. Yo, I ain't gonna lie to you. I've never had an 800. I'm in the seven. I'm in the mid seven somewhere. But I know that when folks got 800, they just love going to places and applying for stuff just to see the people's response because people that run credit aren't used to seeing 800. So the 800 club is something. 2K in the market, 800 wife buy. Him and the wife, you both getting the Stimmy. You know what I'm saying?
I ain't mad at that.
Wife get 800 to go do what she want to do, and 2K in the market. Don, let me guess what you gonna buy. Right? I'm gonna tell you, Don, what Don gonna buy, man. Don's gonna buy VGT.
VDC.
No, VTI. Don, tell us what you're gonna buy, man. Tell us if it's either one of us are right. You don't have to tell us what you're gonna buy if you don't want to. I say you're buying VGT.
I think he's going to buy the consumer defensive.
I'm saying VGT. Don, tell us which one of us is right, man. So yeah, BA coming off that cut pattern. It ain't done. Just need a pullback. Okay, I'm watching that. Now I gotta watch that. Stimmy put a down payment on land.
Go ahead, do your thing. Rent
There
that
you go.
joint out and turn that joint into a cash cow.
Y'all responsible in here. Ain't nobody doing nothing ratchet with their money, man. She said buy the option score. I mean, obviously I don't want y'all to because you watching our show, so I don't want you to. But I wanted to see if somebody was gonna be honest and tell me something ratchet they're gonna do. That's all.
Man, I can tell the difference between the old me and the new me because
Okay, so she's on our Tuesday. Shout out to you for the Tuesday call. Shout out to everybody from the Tuesday call, man. It's just a good conversation. We had an amazing conversation this week, and all of it wasn't even about investing. We was talking about economics, and Crystal was giving us a lesson on inflation. So the last couple weeks have been fire. Like I got a lesson on warrants
smacks.
and
Yeah,
SPACs. Yeah, so it's a lot of bright folks in there, man.
yeah, man.
Okay, here we go. In Detroit, they're all dogs, but there's value since it's my hometown. I know where not to buy. Yo, Detroit was so bad a couple years back. This is right after Kwame Kilpatrick's run. I remember when they had Ford Field, and I was in a website. You could have bought Ford Field for like six figures. It was like 200 and something thousand.
Yeah, it was.
They were selling lots and buildings for like couple $100. Like so, I mean, Detroit has bounced back since then.
Dave Bing, man. Was it Dave Bing was
Well,
that replaced Kwame?
Well, it wasn't just that. It was a couple catalysts. I know the brother that owns not the brothers, the yacht that owns the Cavaliers like bought jobs there too. But I heard he bought half of downtown. Not sure. Maybe Dawn could tell me. Dan Gilbert, that he bought
Oh
most of it.
yeah.
Yeah, so Tay said she's at a 750 right now. She said buy more BTC and put the rest in the market.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Hey, listen, man. I'll be listening when Don talk, man. I know what Don be copping, man. VGT, doggy. Don is Mr. VGT. All right, see, so Brent, so we finally got somebody being honest on here, man. Brent said he's giving it right to the toots, man. You know what I mean? Just be safe, though, man. Make sure you strap up, there, brother. You know what I'm
Yeah, put a hoodie on, dog. Don't put a hoodie on.
Be safe, though. Like, you know what I'm saying? Just be safe out there, brother. You know what I'm saying? All right, Malik said he's going to use
it to fix his mirror. Y'all too responsible, man.
Okay, so here's a good. All right, this is something I need some. I need to learn this myself because I know this is a wave. A lot of folks are doing this.
Yeah.
Buy some used cars, and he said he's going to use them for car rental fleet. So do you have, so let us know. AE, do you have like cars on the street now, or are you about to start this business? Or something that you already into? Because so I want to pick your brain, pause, but I just want to see how that business works. That's dope.
Oh, Andrea.
Let's see.
Andrea is getting some.
Okay. God bless. That's what's up.
Yeah.
Shout out to the hubby.
Bless up. Bless up. Bless up to the hubby.
Shout out to hubby. That's what's up.
I ain't mad at that.
Okay, so yeah, listen. Listen, man. That's half ratchet, but still, I mean, still investing. So at least that's how I justify it myself. Right. I'm adding some money to my Dapper account for more Top Shots. This is the new ratchet. Don, good point. We should definitely have some of them to the Black Wealth Project show. Might be something to bring to the Black Wealth Project Sunday show. I'm definitely gonna talk to the team about that. By the way, we just dropped an amazing episode of our podcast this past Wednesday with the brother Curtis May. But the next podcast that we got dropping next Wednesday is amazing too, because it's two more of our folks from the Black Wealth Project. So Courtney and Kamari are guests on the next episode of By the Hood podcast on Wednesday, because they have a live class coming next Thursday about structuring your business and taxes. So that's also on By the Hood University right now. So go to bythehooduniversity.com and take a look at that. And that episode will be out next Wednesday. We having all kinds of exotic tax talk. They somehow make taxes seem fun. He said, yes, sir. Use my personal vehicle, which I paid off this year, and I use hire car to rent them out. I never heard of hire car.
I heard of other ones. I heard. What's the other one that people be using?
Oh man, I can't think of it. It's a couple of them that people be using.
When we talked to the young boy Kareem, he was telling us.
Oh yeah, he said he was setting his up with let me think of the name of this company. Let me look it up real quick. It's a definite rental car. Let me see the joint. I'm gonna find it for you real quick. But hey, that's interesting, man. I like to know how you're making that. So the one that you started already, is it how's it working? Is it successful?
Toro, that's the name.
Toro, that's it. Boom, that's it right there.
Yeah, Don put it in the comments. Hey man, listen.
Stimmy coin, man. I like it. 1.9
Hey, I ain't mad at that. That's actually a great idea.
Hey, listen, man. We got Pastor in the comments, man. Pastor said, man, look, if y'all need a place to time a little Stimmy, he knows the ministry. That's all he's saying, man.
Hey, that's dang.
Oh, we getting love in here from Toronto, man. Shout out to everybody in Toronto. I don't want to sound corny and call it the six, but I mean that's what the God that put her at, you know what I'm saying? But shout out to our folks in Toronto. Crypto baby heaven. All right, crypto baby heaven, man. What coin you looking at now? Since you in the crypto, I want to know what coin are you looking at now that's not Bitcoin? Not investment advice. I just like to see what people are looking at. What project? Let's put it this way. What project?
What projects?
Yeah. I was looking at doing the flip business today, researching the licensing now. Okay. So you're talking about flipping the properties you buying from the okay, got you.
That's not a problem.
Got you. I got a flip on the market right now. Crazy part is when I put it on the market, I was aggressive in my pricing and I got a couple people interested. But thing is, I'm just trying to see what kind of offers I can get in because I could rent it at any moment. I do either or when it comes to the real estate. If I could sell it, I'll take the cash. If not, I'll just rent it. but I'm always trying to make. I'm like Coach Carter, man. Coach Carter be out here, man. Yo, I know how you do it, Malik, because it's the folks you selling to. Malik be out here, because listen, I'm on trend, Malik, so I see your sales, bro. You be making records, man. You be out here making records, so congratulations to you. But that's what I'm trying to do. Start making new records on these blocks. But let's see. I've been added to the GSA auto auction, all government vehicles that you can bid on with the best part, like my business credit card. Ah, okay. It's another one called Get Around. Hold up. So you buying from the auction? I see now my brain is spinning. I'm about to load up the I'm about to load up the fold card.
Yeah, and then
Go
use
cop
the
me a
business
vehicle,
card to do it, and then oh man,
bro.
yeah, we gotta
I
talk about
listen.
that.
I shared it with the group. I paid some real estate taxes and got like 15,000 sats back. I got about like 13 other properties that I'm paying, but I'm just moving the money from one account over to fold so I could pay these real estate taxes. I'm a bang fold over the head. Oh, a car flip. She's talking about flipping a car.
Oh man,
Y'all out here getting to it, man. Y'all, I said everybody here flipping Stimmy money. I love it. I'm gonna pay off wifey car, and the rest I'm looking to probably get my Palantir up to 100 shares to run cover calls. Dope,
gangster.
dope, dope. That's nice. The cover call game is where it's at. Cover call course coming soon, featuring Spoon. See, here go Passer out here with a sermon. Use the Stimmy to get ahead. Plant the seed and don't eat the seed. Yes, it's paying off my car insurance where I could turn my liability into an asset. You have to find your niche to get the renters you want. We
They
offer
offer COVID testing and PP and a gas card to cover the cost. That's nice. Yeah, we need to talk. Catch us offline.
What market are you in? I'm gonna definitely hit you up though. But what market are you in? Just wondering. Look, she said that. That's what I'm talking about. Just research that today. I'm getting into that next. Y'all getting to it.
Oh yeah, the full card. Oh yeah.
Full card. Yeah, that's you gotta get listen, Auntie Nancy, I don't know if you in Bodyhood University yet, but once you get in Bodyhood University, we got all the hacks. And one of our hacks is a full card. It's a way to get free Bitcoin back. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to our sister Latoya, from the legendary.
Here, what's
What's up,
going
there? How
on?
you?
Central for life.
Oh, he's in NYC. Oh, you running a bag up in the NYC market.
Oh man. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm definitely pause, but I'm gonna be in your inbox in a minute because I need to get some game on that because I mean
That could definitely get done. We got the young boy Kareem doing it, but like
I like to get everybody's perspective to see how they set up
yeah,
their
I know that's what I'm saying. I want to see how you know what I mean how he do his.
Crystal, you're on the waiting list for the fold card. That's the crazy part. The fold has gotten so popular, the waiting list is absolutely insane. But here's how you move up the fold list, either by referring folks, and if you don't have a lot of folks that are interested in it, as a matter of fact, let me hook you up right now. Well, Auntie Nancy, she's on our YouTube, but if you can, go to our YouTube channel and give Auntie Nancy your referral code, man. Here's the thing, man. When you do anything in the crypto space, find somebody's affiliate link. Cats be laughing at me because I got my affiliate links on tap, but that's for a reason. In crypto, everybody got an affiliate link.
Yeah.
Don says,
Like
"Damn good move, eh?"
I got my card. I got 25 people referred. I went from like 60,000 to like 200 in like 3 days. That's
Listen,
how
man,
that's how I got mine.
Antonio, that's an amazing point because a lot of times people don't
Empty.
want to hear that. People don't want to
Yeah.
hear that. People will come down and sit for a consultation and say, "Hey, man, I want to, make some money, make a return." And I say, "Pay off your debt," and they say, "No, I want to buy some stocks." I'm like, first off, when you come to me saying I want to buy some stocks, I know it's problematic to begin with. But some people are paying 20% on their credit cards, and you're looking to buy an index fund and make 10%, make it make sense.
Because it doesn't.
Same here. I'll be 80 when I get. Toro was not allowed in NYC.
That's why he had to use the other server.
Got you. And Adrian, you will get the card. Oh, another hack in terms of getting the full card is to use the gift cards, especially if you're someone that buys stuff off Amazon. If you buy off Amazon anyway, get the Amazon gift card. You know what I'm saying? Right within the fold.
They'll give you sats for it, and you'll jump the line.
Exactly. Another hack is another hack. If you pay for Audible every month, load up your Amazon account with Amazon gift cards, and then connect that to pay for your Audible. Boom. That was worth the price of admission. Hope your guys caught that. Yeah, all right. So I know a lot of you guys either have the full card or looking for the full card. We got somebody on YouTube right now. So y'all can go to youtube.com/buy the hood. Make sure you subscribe and hook up Auntie Nancy with the link for fold so she can get her fold card. Yeah, that BlockFi. People love it. Yo, BlockFi does an amazing job of marketing, yo.
Yeah, they do. Because they
there's
don't have the best product. They just got
yo,
great marketing.
they got amazing marketing, yo. Their marketing team. Not that there's anything wrong with their product. They have a great product.
No, it's not. It's just not the best product.
Yeah, but yo, people love it though.
I ain't mad at it.
So Crystal said, "Where do you all share your link on your private?" Yeah, so I mean, if you come Buy the Hood University, we share all kinds of game on there. Like, it is not even just us. You know what I'm saying? We got Jasmine Brand, Malik Carter in there. We got a lot of great folks. I don't even start naming folks, but Lance is in there, Antonio is in there, Dawn is in there.
Yeah. I mean, Jose is in there.
Crystal, you're in there, I think, aren't you? I thought Crystal was in there already. But anyway,
yeah, no, but she was saying to try to get more folks.
Go to YouTube and somebody hook up Nancy with it on YouTube. Let me see. She says, "What do you do to jump the full line?" I've been 100.
Share your link.
All right, so two ways. And by the way, appreciate that, Don. For those watching on Facebook, hit the like button. Those watching on YouTube, also hit the like button. But two ways to jump the line is to buy the gift cards within the Fold app. Make sure you go in there every day and spin the wheel. They give away free sats just for going in and spinning the wheel. Also refer people your link, right? You refer people your link, that'll move you up as well. Yeah, so he says, crazy high APR. I had to focus on personal credit, reducing my DTI, which freed up my income. And then assisted me with my PG. Okay, there you go. And that's the game right there. That's the game. Because another thing is when you don't have people don't, I shouldn't say, let me say they don't understand. People understand that debt is bad. But a lot of times, and I think I saw Antonio say this today, and he was absolutely right when he said people always look at debt like, well, I could pay that monthly. But it's the opportunity cost for one. And for two, these credit card companies are making a ton of money because they know that you're not going to pay it off. You're the actual product to them. As long as you carry these balances, and I'm not one of these anti-debt guys. I'm anti-stupid debt. I'm anti-consumer debt. If you're leveraging your credit to buy property,
like
do
what
things
AE
money,
is doing,
or do what AE is doing, try to get that chicken. I'm addicted to blue cheese. But here's the thing. That was a rap reference. But
yeah. Listen, I quote.
Okay, I know.
Everybody not.
I know. Anyway, but the thing is, the reason they're able to give away airline miles, they're able to give away cash back and all that is because they're making so much money on people paying the bare minimum every month. One of the great things about the Fold card is I have a Platinum Amex card. I don't even use it anymore. I've run everything through Fold. And AE, just to break down what Fold is for you real fast, Fold is a debit card. And what it allows you to do is to deposit money in there. And every time you spend money using your Fold card, you get the spin of a wheel. That wheel basically gives you free Satoshis, or they're fractions of a Bitcoin. You know what I'm saying? So, and you can build it up over time. You start to build up those Satoshis over time. I've built up a crazy amount of Satoshis just by running everything through the card. And a lot of the stuff that I pay is stuff I'm going to pay anyway. My cell phone bill every month, I pay on the card. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much anything I do at this point, I'm getting back free Bitcoin. One way or the
other. There is no YouTube video for the Fold card. We didn't do one. It's in the Buy the Hood University.
It's in the Buy the Hood University, yeah. But we talk about it a lot on our personal pages too. But yeah, so that's it. Dawn said she went over there and dropped her link for Fold. That's what's up. I don't see the video on YouTube. Yeah, we didn't do a video on YouTube like he said. But we talk about it a lot. Crystal, shoot me a call, your inbox or something. We break it down to you on how to move up. You know what I'm saying? We make sure everybody gets the information. You know what I'm saying? We all share here. I can't wait till Sunday, man. For those that are in DYO, Buy the Hood University, please make sure y'all pull up on Sunday. We got some revolutionary stuff happening this Sunday.
Yo, and bring a friend. Like, Use the Stimmy code. Bring a friend, because they're
Yeah.
gonna want to hear what we gotta say, man.
All right, people still checking in. People, Crystal said she found it. That's what's up. All right. So Rochelle, what's going on, Rochelle? How are you? And for the folks that are just checking in, by the way, we got a special running right now, right? Intro to Precious Metals, stock market combo course, charting course. Use the discount code STIMMY, and that's STIMMY. Use STIMMY and get 50% off. You know what I'm saying? And by the way, when you do that, your folks will get access, you know what I mean, to the group, and then when they can pull up on Sunday, because we got revolutionary announcement happening this Sunday.
Yeah.
With the whole
So
team from MDC. So that's gonna be
yeah,
fire.
man,
Make sure
that's
you're
gonna
there.
be absolute fire. And I'm looking at AE, and he's saying he uses his cars to fly and go to places for free. The
Yeah.
reason we use the fold card is because it pays back in Bitcoin.
So here's the thing: you can't add credit cards. It's a debit card itself. So one of the crazy things about Fold is I'm using my cash, right? And I'm getting Bitcoin back. But I've been using the Fold card for a while now, probably a year or so, right? So as a matter of fact, no, I was I was in the first round of folks that got it. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the CEO of Fold because he follows me on Twitter because he likes my memes. Y'all be laughing at my memes, but my memes be getting me some business connections, by the way. That's either here nor there. So I got the Fold card pretty early. And I've ran up over 1 million Satoshi already. I don't even know where I'm at now. I stopped looking. But outside of the Satoshis that I ran up, it actually has me not using my credit card because I was trying to do the same thing with the Platinum Amex card. But I don't use the credit card now. I use the Fold card. So what it does is two things. I'm not really running credit card balances these days. And I'm getting Bitcoin back. Because I was getting Bitcoin back, when I was getting Satoshis back when I first started using the Fold card, Bitcoin was like 20,000. Now that Bitcoin is, I don't even, what's Bitcoin right now? Somebody tell me what Bitcoin is right now. I know
58,000 or something.
it's already double. So the Satoshis that I got back for using it have more than doubled. So some of those purchases I was making, my gains have already paid for those purchases. So, you know what I'm saying? That's how the thing moves. And by the
Yeah.
way, Adrian, it is 1 million. I've actually showed the screenshot in the group, but just be conscious of the fact that's not $1 million. That's 1 million Satoshis.
Yeah. 1 million Satoshis is like
Like I
200.
no, it's more
It's
than that.
like
It's like 600
it's
bucks.
like $600, $700. Yeah, like
It's like $600. Here's the thing though, $600-700, and I got the black card. So you can get a free Fold card, which is the
yeah,
yellow card, or you can get the black card. The black card is an annual fee of $1.50. So I paid $1.50, and I had I had 1 million Satoshis probably 4 months ago. Like, you know what I'm
yeah.
saying? So I don't even know what I'm at now. I might be at 2 million. I stopped looking because I just use it. So that's kind of that. So oh yeah, Dawn. Make sure you're there on Sunday for church because you already know how we give it up. But we got some fire coming, man. Absolutely, Rochelle. Absolutely.
No problem.
So AE, you looking for the Fold link? We're gonna give it to you right now, man, because it ain't even about us. Somebody hook up AE with the link to the Fold, man. We want everybody to eat. Somebody hook up AE. Somebody watching, hook up AE. Listen, Antonio with the bars, man. Antonio, you need to write a book of just like
Yeah, one line.
yeah, this one line.
Bar.
Being able to afford something is financial security. Not having to go in debt for it, that's financial freedom.
Woo!
Hold
He
up.
be cooking it up.
I'm a
Um,
I'm a I'm a I'm a I'm gonna
screenshot it.
I'm not even gonna screenshot. I'm gonna take a picture with my phone right now, man. You know why? Because I'm gonna quote you on that, Pastor. That right there, that's a quotable right there.
Hip hop quotable.
I want to put that on Twitter just to have people come on my neck. Here's the great thing about Twitter. You can put the most positive thing. It's not even just Twitter, it's social media. You can put the most positive thing on social media and it could be like so true and someone will like, be offended and say something about it.
Oh well.
Yeah, that's 1 million Satoshis. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, 56,479. So yeah, somewhere between. It's always fluctuating. So we over 56 grand up. See, look at this.
Stimmy
Look at this.
already
Look
hit.
at this. Look at this. Stimmy. I told y'all the
Hey,
Stimmy is in the streets, beloved. Stimmy is in the streets. You
I
can't
need
smell
to.
the crab legs from here, B.
Man, I ain't poor enough because I ain't get my Stimmy yet.
Hey,
I
Lance,
need.
you can't beat me to it, man. I already claimed that one, man. Because listen, Lance beat me with it already. Because as soon as I got out there, I was putting that out there, man. Yo,
Yo, Pastor be coming with the heat.
Yeah, man. Yo, here's the thing though. I'm gonna tell y'all that I know. Here's how I know that a lot of y'all out here miserable. Not y'all that watch us, because we love y'all, but the internet in general. You could put the most positive message out there, and people will have a problem with it, right? Like and shout out to Coach Carter as seen on the Jasmine brand. Even if some of the stuff people were saying was absolutely insane,
Yeah.
but I saw someone on Facebook write a status, and I've told this before, but just in case y'all never heard me tell the story. Someone put a status on Facebook. I'm not gonna name any name, and it said like, "Yo, I love my mom. She's always been there for me. Like, she's the light of my life, and just basically giving it up for their mom, like praising their mother." Somebody went on that John and was like, "What about your father? You out here talking all great about your mom, like your dad wasn't there, like just miserable." I'm like, yo, so it doesn't matter what you do. This is actually an investment lesson too, by the way, Corey. Like you can't worry about what other people think. When you learn to do your
That's
research and
all.
you learn to do your thing, you have to go about your and the same thing in life in general, man. Because people are miserable out here, yo.
Yeah,
People
they
are
will bury
miserable.
you. Listen, how I talk. I say, listen, man. People will plant a shade tree in your backyard and then wonder what, and then tell you your plants can't grow underneath it because they be shading you, and then wonder why your plants don't grow.
Yeah, man.
Listen, they will plant a shade tree in your backyard and then ask you why your plants don't grow.
Listen, man.
Like why? Like you know why my plants don't grow? It's because I got this negative energy that you bring in with you when you come. You know what I mean? When you come to my statuses, I very rarely get that negative energy to my statuses because I've uh I've cleaned house of those folks that used to bring me that kind of energy.
No,
I,
but see that's the vibe I'm on, man. Like I don't even reciprocate negative energy with negativity. I'm all positive
no,
energy.
no, 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 no. I'm just saying because I used to. I ain't gonna lie, man. I
No, I
used to
know, I
I used
know.
to hit people with battle rap bars.
Listen,
But I
I
ain't
know
I
you
ain't
do.
really I haven't had to do that in a while.
Listen, man. Listen, man. I don't want nothing negative around me. Like, so my thing is,
Yeah,
as you get older, you realize the world is so big that I can go on one side of the earth and never have to deal with somebody. So what's the point of like
yeah.
negative energy? Listen, I don't want no. Only thing I want negative is like STD tests. Outside of that, everything else is positive.
My AIDS test, my COVID test, my
That's it.
STD
That's it.
test,
I just want the.
negative.
That's all I want negative. Everything else, man. Hey, Rochelle, listen. You hear me, man? Yo, you can smell the crab legs already. Like you can smell them where you at. It's lit out there.
You can smell the Old Bay and the crab legs. People
Listen,
out here
man.
getting busy. And
They about
man,
to drop
listen,
it. Oh,
you
I
know
thought they
what's
was dropping
crazy
it.
is
Hold
I
on, I thought they was
love
dropping
that.
it Sunday. I thought
You know what that's I love this. When people happy, I don't care where they get their happiness from, man.
that's a
Like
good point. I want to ask you about that. Hold that thought real second. I definitely want to ask you about that. But those pre-order NBA packs, I thought they was coming Sunday. They coming tonight. I gotta look at that. Adrian, see you still on it too, man. Yo, Pastor, you got everybody out here quoting you, man. It's gonna be crazy down the timeline. Everybody quoting Pastor. Like, Nicole, what's
yeah.
up, Nicole? How you?
Hey, Central Love.
That's what I said today. Like,
They dropping them joints today?
yeah, she said, yeah. All right, that's what's up. I got something to look for. Yo, and for those that seen the YouTube video on the By the Hood page about the last drop, yo, NBA Top Shots owes me, yo. They did me dirty.
I'm sorry. Yeah, your pack was Reggie, dog.
That was definitely a Reggie pack. People just want to buy a wolf an argument. Listen, man, yo, Jamil, what it is people want attention, man. Like, you could put the most positive message. You could go on Twitter and just be like, yo, good morning. I love everybody. And somebody will find something negative to say about that. All right, see, somebody hooked up AE. AE, that's what we talk about, man. Everybody eat over here, man. So somebody hooked you up. Fur makes the heart sick. It's the life's heartbreak. It has changed your whole. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, that's what you gotta do. You gotta share
Yeah,
love. You gotta share love.
that's it. Always, man.
Mm. Pastor gave me some more bars, man. People operate
Contempt
from
and
negative vibrations
envy.
to understand their sound is from a place of complacency, contempt, and envy. This is true, man. This is absolutely true.
Yeah,
That's what I want to talk to you about, though. Jimmy, are you jumping on the Doom mask? I didn't jump on the Doom mask. Here's the crazy part. Before Doom passed, I saw that he was already in the NFT space.
he was definitely heavy in the
Yeah,
space.
because we was on it back then too. We was reading it, and he was already in the space. But I already know what it is. I know how Doom fans are. And by the way, they got to be capitalized. I know and I see Jamil did that, so Jamil already know what it is. Like I could tell real Doom fans, but I know the price is going to be insane.
Stupid. It's gonna be dumb.
So I'm not even looking at it. Like I already know what it's going to be. But that's the question I want to ask you real quick, Corey. Because that's another thing I see with Stimmy hitting the street outside of the crab leg smell, like that's like flagrant throughout Philadelphia. It's a lot of like people just angry, and they basically just be like coming at folks for being excited about a Stimmy, and I don't understand that. Right?
Oh man, why do you care where people get their joy from? If that joy doesn't cause you pain, why do you care where they get their joy from? Like
Mm-hmm.
to see people eat crab legs and be happy, that doesn't bother me. Like
Yeah,
I want people to get their happiness. Now, of course, what I would rather want them to do is, get some investments or pay down, some debt so that they can get further ahead in life. But man, life is about experiences, right? And if you have a chance to have an experience that you've never or had or that you rarely get to have because you have more resources, why do people get mad at that? That
listen,
that shit is that like I spent last time the Stimmy came out. I spent a lot of time bucking folks. I took out the shotgun, clapping at people that was clapping at people for getting a Stimmy. Like, look, people out here hurting, people out here dying, and you going to be mad at people for taking whatever joy they can take from whatever situation they in? You a whole hater, and you're not even a partial hater. You a full out grown up hater, and you need to get your life in order. If somebody being happy makes you unhappy, you got to get your life in order. Something is wrong with you. There's
no, I
nothing
mean,
wrong with them. Something
if,
is wrong with you,
if you
and
want
you
to
need to
invest,
get that in order.
if you want to invest and be responsible, do that. If you want to,
Yeah, if
like
you
Brent
want to go
said,
out and buy a Gucci belt and spin your Stimmy on your waist, I'm good with that. If you want to go buy,
and
some
again,
Prada,
we're not telling you to be irresponsible. What I'm saying is, I'm not going to hate you for doing what you want
yeah.
to do. That's what we're saying.
If you want to go buy Prada shoes, if you want to go, you know what I mean. If you want to go buy a mink, you want to go buy a fake mink with $1,400. Go do you. Like, be happy. Buy crab legs for everybody in the block and have a damn block party.
What you shit don't make me. What you eat don't make me shit, right? That's
Like,
the
why
thing.
do people care that people are happy? Like, people was mad. People staying home. They not going to work. We was in a pandemic. Nobody couldn't go to work. Nobody was going anywhere. And
People
so why do you care?
just be angry, man. That's what it is. Like so, Adrian,
Yo, it was driving me crazy. Like them
you
being
block
angry
people.
was making me angry because I was like, yo, why are you being the Stimmy police?
That's
Like,
exactly
why?
what I was going to say. The Stimmy police. So listen, this Adrian said her blocking
Like,
really
yo,
strong. She
I'm
didn't take the
trying
vote
not to
on
use
Facebook.
very strong, unfamily like language on here because that's what I really was using. I was calling them all kinds of suckers and Richard Heads.
Okay,
Like,
I'm gonna take a look at the A. I want to see if they operate in the Philadelphia section.
yeah,
Yeah,
man. So that's good. Yeah, listen, if
compare.
you mad at people for getting Stimmy, if you mad at people for spending their Stimmy however the hell they want it, you got a you problem. Leave them people alone. Don't bring your negative, re, your energy retarded, and keep it away from people that's trying to have good, good vibes and good energy, man.
Yo, read this comment by Don, man. This is fun. This is how people are, man. People out here just haters and angry for no reason. It is comical. He said he had a conversation with a trader, guy worth $6 million. He got to chill in his Bentley for a minute. As soon as I was done talking to him, somebody angry gonna say, "Yeah, it's lease." I had to distance myself from that negativity. Like, even if it is lease, so what? Because my thing is, actually, it might be smarter if he leases
Yeah,
every. People just hate, the hate out here
yo,
is
man,
the
where's the
crazy part
love?
about hate on social media is if somebody says something you don't like, you can go buy it.
Yeah,
You got to stop though.
like that's the whole. The thing is, I could have just went past their comments too that they made about the Stimmy, so I can't just say it goes one way because
Mm-hmm.
I could have walked right by these comments. I was like, yo, I was really calling
They
people out.
got you in your feelings. Like,
Yeah, because my thing is like, listen, man, I'm about to give out the game. All time is emotional. And so my thing is when you can do something that can bring the good vibes to you and it's not hurting nobody else, them eating crab legs ain't hurting nobody but them crabs. Leave the people alone. Like, damn. Why
nah, man,
can't people eat crab and shrimp and not be, like, why can't they go have steak and lobster on their money? Like, leave them alone. Those experiences come few and far between for them because they poor. So why
Listen,
you like people hate poor people, and I hate people that hate poor people. It drives me nuts because poor people didn't do anything to be poor in this country. This country is a giant infinity pool of cess. Just a giant cesspool. And the thing about it is, it's a caste system. 98% of people that are born poor stay that way.
listen, by the way, that's an amazing book. I'm actually in the middle of reading it right now. I got a question for the folks watching. But I've seen you ask this before, but I want to know what the people watching right now, what they think about what I'm getting to ask, right? Do you think in this country people hate poor people more or they hate rich people more? I'm
Man,
not at
I asked that question on
all.
my page.
I want to see what the folks think. Do people hate the rich or the poor more? Because people hate everybody, but Nicole's point. I love people to treat themselves and their families. Folks need a lift to get through right now. I agree, man. Listen, only thing I'm pissed out is about is because I still don't want to be around y'all folks because I still don't trust it. I haven't got I haven't got my Moderna yet, so I'm staying away. But
Yeah,
I'm looking. Listen. I'm anxious to be at a cookout. So anybody having a cookout this summer, yo, make sure you send me an invite, man. I just want, as long as you promise to play the Bruno Mars and Anderson .Paak song at your cookout, because I just want to hear that at the cookout so I can look at someone younger than me and say, you don't know nothing about this. Like that's just, that's
that
that's just,
song do got old head vibes,
no,
yo.
that's
That
the
joint got
experience of it.
70s
Listen,
panty dropper, yo. That joint got 70s panty dropper vibes,
as
man.
soon as I heard the song, I said, "Yo, I can't wait to get to a cookout and tell somebody they don't know nothing about this." Like that's all I want to do. Like I'm gonna pull up at your cookout, put that on just so I could tell that to somebody. So you know what I'm saying? That's after y'all get y'all shots and all that. This is why your circle needs to become smaller. Even the people you associate with that bring negative. Listen, man, that the crazy part about that is what I recognize in 2021. That's online and offline. They always say, about the people you surround yourself with. We spend all of us do, including me. I'm online. I'm online all day long, like looking up ratchet memes and great finance information. But you have to surround yourself with good folks online the same way
Period.
you try to offline, because it's the same thing. If this is where we're spending our time at, make sure that circle is tight too. Yeah, that's the question. Where's the love? Yo, Dawn already told you I'm jealous, yo. She used most of the by seeds for her garden. I can care less if somebody has something to say. They better get some. Listen, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I tried to grow some food last year, and it was an epic fail, yo. I killed everything. Now, granted, it was my first time trying. I bodied everything. I caught all kinds of bodies. I should have been arrested. I should have been arrested for the bodies I caught, though. Like,
Jeremy was out here, the plant
you know,
Hannibal Lecter.
and the crazy part is, I was like, all right, maybe it's just that. So let me try to cook this. I couldn't cook. I couldn't grow beans, tomatoes. I killed everything, yo. I was terrible, but I'm gonna try it again. I was actually looking at today, like to try to get started now. But Dawn, I'm jealous, man. I haven't been able to successfully do anything yet. Shout out to Malik though, because I know last year
Yeah, Malik. Yeah,
he finally got
he's
it
pretty
together.
good at that.
His garden was popping last
And
year.
and
Meanwhile,
and
not mine.
and what's the name? Out in Arizona. Oh my
Jay,
God, Jay got a whole hydroponics thing getting
yeah,
going down.
Jay does love.
Jay getting busy out there.
Jay Satoshi got a whole farm basically.
Yeah, man, he getting
Meanwhile,
real busy.
I'm here in the city of Philadelphia that's killing stuff. Like I'm terrible, but I'm gonna get it together. I'm working what they call the green thumb. I'm working on that. I'm a work in progress, man. It's all out there, Jamil. It's all out there already, dog.
Yeah, man.
Stimmy's out there, man.
Yeah, man.
Don't forget the
Listen,
flaming choo choo, the
I
train,
ain't mad. I ain't
the
mad,
train
man.
Honda Wasabi.
Pop, 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 pop.
Listen, man. Listen, man. I'm just waiting to see somebody get a live band with their Stimmy. That's all. That's another great thing about the Stimmy too. Another thing about what I call Stimmy culture, because now it's a culture of Stimmy. This is like the third Stimmy. Is the great like tweets and memes that come out of Stimmy coming, because y'all got jokes for the Stimmy hit. The jokes is out there. That's why I had to contribute my little Stimmy meme today, because they out there, man.
Oh yeah. I mean, but your STEMI mean wasn't like demeaning to STEMI folks.
No, no,
Like,
no, no, no. It wasn't. I'm just saying I got to get on the Stimmy action. I thought it was funny.
no,
At least,
no.
listen, AE, that's why I said you never know why somebody does something, man. Nicole is laughing. Yo, that's a great point. We don't think we deserve luxury as poor people. That's a bar. Yeah, man. Okay. So, Shay said poor people are hated more. Look at the policies.
Oh,
Poor.
yeah.
Everybody saying poor.
Damn.
Yeah, I worked for welfare for 9 years and stuff I heard was crazy. Hate poor people more. They make laws and fences to keep out poor. No such barriers just for the wealthy. Poor. I agree with you guys. I just know that some people feel like they hate both. Oh, well, here you go. Here you go. It's like both. A lot of people aren't happy with themselves, and to me, that's the biggest issue. That's a good point, Tori.
Yeah,
People,
that's an
hate
actual point.
but I think it might be leaning towards the poor more. But I agree with you that people just.
No, but because of the reason that people were saying is because the laws.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's a great point. That's a great point. I don't think they hate. I think they're ignorant to the circumstances. That could be it too.
Man,
But I think a lot of
it ain't that much ignorance in the world.
is ignorance, but I think it's a lot of self hate. Like who just said that? Somebody just said it. Yeah, it was part of what Torian said. They're not happy with themselves, so it's projection.
Yep.
It's project for sure. Listen, man, you already know that's the barbecue vibes. What you know about this young blood? Listen, I just want to say that to somebody. I need to be at a barbecue.
Somebody got to get them. Somebody got to get them barbs.
Yeah, they got to. They got to.
Somebody got to get them barbs.
Wayne, the economy is about to flow, which is good. Materialism has ruined folks. No values today. Now, Wayne, here's one thing I will say about this though. I got a little empathy with that too. Just because what I recognize is that like we're sold. When you're sold to 24/7, 365. Like when you walk out the house and you see ads everywhere. When you're online and they're popping up on every site you use. Like it's really psychology. So when you get to the point where you can step away from that and understand how money flows, how money works, like a lot of time, anytime that we do a class or a presentation, we always start with how money moves, how the banks work. And it's the reason we put that in every presentation because most people don't know that. And even if they do know, they need to be reminded because it's almost like the Matrix, right? But I understand that it's difficult because human psychology is what it is. Like, I've worked. I used to work at Johnson and Johnson. And some folks that used to get big checks where they had psychologists in the marketing department. Like this is what big companies do. They hire psychologists to create like products and ads that, appealed. So it's like they're literally playing mind games. Like this is what all companies do. So think about like when you get on your phone and you go, so they're constantly being sold to. So that's part of how our whole country works. Our country, we have to consume for our country to work the way that it works. So I actually get that. But that's why you need people like, all the folks that are in the comments now, all of you guys watching to kind of like help each other basically get out of the matrix. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what Auntie Nancy's saying. People hate the poor more. Ooh, okay. Yeah, it's to pull yourself up from your bootstraps crowd. Like, you know what I mean? That's what it is. It's to pull yourself up from your bootstraps crowd. Like that go out there not understanding that some people don't even have boots to begin with. The crazy part. Lance said that's a tough question. Yeah. Nicole said the wealthy just catch feelings of hate.
Yeah.
Rochelle, I ain't lying, yo. That's yo. And I know it sounds like hyperbole and recency bias, yo. That's one of the greatest songs I've ever heard in my life, yo. It's definitely the best song of 2021. And I need to get a cookout to tell somebody that they tripping. Like, you know what I mean? All right, so here's Brown response. People hate poor people more because they think that a poor person is lazy and everyone rich is some. Yo, I remember it was the CEO. As a matter of fact, he's the wealthiest man in real estate in the world. Sam, what was his name? He caught a ton of heat. What's the name? I'm trying to think of his name. He owns a couple publicly traded real estate companies. I'm gonna look it up right now so y'all can look up this clip on YouTube. He's a mogul. He owns a bunch of real estate companies. His name is Sam something or another. But he went on CNBC one day and he talked about how wealthy people work harder and that's why they're wealthy. Yo, the hate that he got, but the funny thing is that was his belief. You know what I'm saying? Like that's actually what he believed.
And he's stuck on stupid because the hardest working person in the building is always somebody that's doing hard labor.
His name is Samuel Zell, Zell. And a couple of his companies pay good dividends, by the way. But he was like Let me see if I can find this real quick.
Yeah.
Find an
Hard
article.
work does not equal money. And that's something else we got to get out the culture. Hard work does not equal money.
Mm-hmm.
It does not at all.
Yeah, but look up Sam Zell. It's on YouTube. So here, let me see if I can pull this up for you folks. Because I remember this because this was hilarious to me. He actually went on TV and said this. Here it is. No thanks. Come on, man, with this. Boom. Your Chicago business. See, they keep trying to make me. I mean, I'm definitely not a member. All right, I'm gonna find it for you folks real quick.
Yeah, they not letting you be great.
Yeah, they definitely they hating, man. They're not getting my chicken though. I'm addicted to blue cheese. Oh my!
Keep saying like, keep saying, huh?
All right, my fault. Let me see. I'm gonna find an article for you guys though. But his name is Sam Zell. He said the 1% work harder. That's what he said.
Yeah, he's that's trash and that's stupid.
But here's the thing though. My point is saying that this is really his perspective. Like, crazy part is, he really believed it.
Yeah, because
He really believed it, and that's what's scary about it. But a lot of times people think that. People walk around the world thinking that if you just, it's about working smarter, Working harder ain't gonna do nothing for you.
yeah, like hard work is man, listen, man. Hard
See,
work is crazy.
the 1% work harder. It was Bloomberg TV. There you go. My man said the 1% just work harder, yo. So you guys can go look up that video because even the person who was interviewing him was taken aback by him saying that. So it was pretty entertaining TV. But Jamil also says poor folks. So everybody for the most part says poor folks. Nicole, we definitely gonna follow you. I'm gonna do it right now. I'm gonna do it while we on here. Is that on IG?
Yeah, that looked like an IG handle.
I'm probably already following. Because I'm trying to definitely step my plant game up.
Yeah, it's crazy is we follow a lot of people that's good and I'm not even bad at growing plants. Like I actually got kind of a green thumb, but I don't have the attention span. Like my plants die because sometimes I forget the water.
Oh, hold
Like
up. First of all, I don't see you on IG. I see let me see, Garden Life. Is that the right IG? Yeah, I don't see the under that one unless you on that's Twitter, but maybe I'll follow you on Twitter. Just let me know. Nicole, let me know which one it is. Because I see Garden Life, but I don't see Plant Life. He said I'm too old to hate anybody. Too much negative thinking is bad for your mental health. I agree.
it is.
Poor poor even get hate from other poor people that think they're middle class. Ooh.
Yeah, man. That's the thing.
Ooh.
That's the thing about poor people. Like poor people hate other poor people because they're competing, which is why you got to stop competing with your with your other brothers and sisters. It doesn't make any sense to compete against somebody, and y'all all like, people like to use the crabs in a barrel reference, but if you can crabs in a barrel and they turning up the heat, and all of y'all slow cooking.
Here you go. On one hand, people hate poor in an attempt to disassociate themselves from the poor label. Then on the other hand, they get exploited for their hatred of rich people. They hate rich people because they don't believe that they can reach their level. Interesting.
Man, nah, man. America, they had you smoking opium. They think every person in America think they can get rich. They had you smoking on opium all your damn life. You gotta do things. You don't have to work hard, but you gotta do stuff to get rich. Like if you wasn't born into it, you gotta do things.
Oh,
Like
okay. YouTube video. YouTube University. That's what I'm saying. Yo, listen, man, Antonio, man, he coming with the. I'm gonna get all my tweets for the week from Antonio. Everybody in your boat ain't rowing. Some are drilling holes and are rolling the drown so that you don't succeed. Hold on, that's
man,
another one. That's another one. Another one. I'm going to
and
quote.
another one.
Hey, Pastor, let me
Yo,
know you
they
will be
gonna
quoted.
turn me into DJ Khaled. And another one.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Stimmy culture is a real thing, man. It's Stimmy cultures out here. Oh, Lance already got to it. I'm a little behind right now because we was talking, but she got it too. Me and Lance never had the same timeline. They gonna be like, yo.
Hey, listen, like what the hell was y'all doing? Why y'all got the same timeline?
So I
Oh
was
man.
saying this is my granny. We tried to figure out why the tomatoes and carrots weren't growing. We caught Mr. Squirrel on the fence bunching. The audacity. Listen, man, shout out to you, man. You was looking out for the
Yo,
folks, man. Squirrel
listen, I'm
part
gonna
of the
tell you
community,
what
man.
is on sale. Audacity is definitely on sale. People will be out here just saying and doing the absolute most. Be out here just like, listen, man. I'm not a real big fan of violence in my older years, but people ain't. You can tell some people ain't never been slapped. Like they be out here just be talking all reckless, like there's no
Yo,
consequences to it, man. Like you really,
Moneybag Joe. That's
nobody ever
crazy
told
about
them to watch their mouth, man.
yo. That's a Chelsea. That's one of the greatest memes going around. All the Moneybag Joe memes.
Yeah, man.
You right, Corey. Yeah, that was it. Sam Zell. Yep.
Yeah,
And
man.
Corey spitting bars tonight too.
Yeah, man. Man, listen, because I spend a lot of time, even though I don't think there's no in the middle. I think either you're rich or you're poor. Like there's no middle, there's no in the middle.
But you know
You're
what?
rich
Though? Here's the something. So he's talking about an experience he had in trying to help folks. Yo, crazy part is it's because they don't see value in it, and a lot of that is like it's conditioning. So it's actually sad. It's pretty sad though. It's actually a pretty sad thing not seeing the value in it.
man.
But here's what I will say: poor is a mentality, man. There's a difference between being broke and being poor.
Broke means you don't got no money. I hate when people call other people broke too though. That shit drives me nuts too. Because I don't believe in middle class. Either you rich or you poor. So are you rich or are you poor? Like you can talk all that. I got more chicken than you and I got more money than you and all this shit. Like
Listen,
either
man.
you got it or you don't. You know
Robert
what I mean?
Robert Nesta Marley said, man, some people are like, so what do you say? Some people are so poor all they got is money, or
Yep.
another. But
That's
man said,
exact. That's his quote to the
I
word.
remember when I got my first decent paying job in college, tried to work all the overtime. She wanted all the OT smoke. Got her check and was like, "What the fuck? This is just a scam." The taxation,
Yeah, OT is the biggest. Yo, man,
you can't, you
like
can't,
yeah,
you can't work, you can't outwork your way out of,
you can't. The hardest working people going to stay poor forever because they'll always trade time for money.
And Wayne, this is one of the reasons why, like, for the folks that have businesses or are looking to start a business, make sure you pull up to that class on Thursday. It's on Bodyhood University. It's with Kamari and Courtney.
Yeah, man.
It's about taxes because what they teach is how to understand the tax code
The
and take
wealth
advantage of
strategies, the wealth
surrounding
strategies
tax.
of the rich people.
Bro, I had here's another. I'm gonna give you guys a cheat code. One of my cheat codes. I talk about it on the next podcast. My cheat code is having smart friends. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Passer Eubanks, Lance, Dawn. I could shoot them a message and ask a question. So Courtney, who is part giving this tax thing, who's also in Bodyhood University now, she put me down with a consult this past year that pretty much changed my life. I'm gonna run the bag up so crazy because of what she taught me. But learning tax strategies and it made me think about
Change
it.
everything.
What
It
Wayne said,
changes everything.
which know how to take advantage of opportunities. Like the tax code is in writing and it's out there, and most people have no idea how to use it. No idea how to use it. They make you build your wealth in heaven while they have you there. So, yo, that's
Yep.
true. This is absolutely true.
I
Yeah, they're
I said
preaching,
that
man.
in our book. I dropped that bar in our book, man.
Only time and space. You get the digital download right at Bodyhood University. You know what I'm saying? 50% off. Use the code STIMMY. Listen, OT, yeah, OT is crazy. OT is crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's me, Garden. I'm not fluent in social media. I'm just out there. I'm about to say, like, hold up. I don't see you out here. You gave me the wrong IG, John. I'm gonna get you though. I'm about to follow you now. You know what I'm saying? We doing follow for follow, like old school. If you've been on social media for a while, you already know what follow for follow is stuff. But let me see. Yeah, I just followed you on IG. Let me see. Oh, you really out here? Yo, she really out here getting to the garden game.
Yeah.
Oh man, Nicole, you out here? Okay. Make sure as you get ready to grow this season, you share more because I'm look. I know it's one of my things. One of my things on Instagram is like pages of people that grow stuff. Like I don't know why I have an obsession with that. Because you know what? One of the things is the photographs well. It's like good for IG. IG is great for gardeners. You know what I mean?
We learned the difference between gardeners and farmers too.
Yes, we
Our
did.
one of our guests on our show,
Yeah, gardeners and farmers.
Nadia Ruffin, who is she's an absolute. Nadia is an absolute beast
Yeah.
when it comes to science and scientific things. She has this thing called Agra Academy, and y'all need to go check that out. And her name is Nadia Ruffin on IG and on Facebook. And
What's her? She got a YouTube channel. She goes by
yeah, the oh my god, I'm having a brain fart right now. Oh
I'm
man,
gonna find it
she
for
got
you.
Nadia
Yeah,
is
she's amazing though. But she told us that the gardener and a farmer are definitely two different things.
yeah, man. She taught us everything, man.
Urban farm sister.
Urban farm sister, that's what yeah.
Yeah, she was on episode 40, by the way. For those who want to know. They don't really believe that the myth of hard work is how the wealthy exploit the poor and dupe them into working for them. Listen,
Yep.
hard work is trash. I know that sounds like how can you say that? Well, it's about working smart. Some people, you know
Yeah.
who worked hard? Slaves worked hard.
Yep.
And don't come at me.
Nobody worked harder than slaves.
Don't at me. I'm just saying it's about working smart.
Nobody.
This Antonio giving him a Friday evening service right now.
Yeah, man. He always come with the goods, man.
Hating either way is mental poverty.
Yeah, it is.
I'm gonna steal that term, mental poverty. Yeah, mental poverty. Yeah, Corey out here dropping bombs tonight too. It's a pastor he keep a short sermon on tuck.
Yeah, he do.
Yeah, yeah. Boom, here we go. As it relates to hard work, our ancestors built this. I follow the Nat ministry and lay my ass down when I'm sleepy. The Nat ministry, I like that.
Yo, I'm with that.
Yeah. Listen, Don, yo, she knows her stuff, bro. Like, she know the tax code. Like, so I told her, like, I was speaking to her last night, and she said something to me. I was like, yo, Courtney, that might be the nerdiest comment I've ever heard in my life.
Yeah.
Because she actually enjoys taxes. That sounds insane, but she definitely knows that stuff. In order to break the rules, you must know the rules. Oh, that's a
She
bar.
said she said that on our
Mm-hmm.
show last night. I'm trying to straighten it out. I ain't mad at that.
It out. That's fire too.
Yeah, that's fire. Yo, y'all coming with the heat tonight. What the hell? That stimmy must got y'all. It stimulated your brains too, because y'all coming with the super fire tonight.
Yeah,
Y'all normally be fire, but y'all really like coming with the super fire.
hey, man, drop your IG, man. Yeah, I don't listen. Drop IGs, man.
Yeah, drop them all.
Drop the IGs, man. Bringing the word. Gardening with Goo. Yo, Malik, I've been on that boy's page, yo. Yo, Goo get to it. But I like Goo because he's culturally relevant. I'm about to make him the Black Business of the Week on our Sunday show, man. Because
Yeah,
Gardening with Goo is pretty entertaining, yo. Yeah, Nadia, yeah, she is the truth, yo. She's definitely the truth.
yes, indeed.
Urban Farm Sister. So you already got to it in the comments. That was it.
Ruffin is RUFFIN.
Mm-hmm.
Urban Farm System.
Urban Farm Sister is her brand, though. She gets to it. See,
On
man,
IG
all y'all
and
gardeners are
Facebook.
making me jealous, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get it together this year. I'm gonna try not to catch bodies. You know what I'm saying?
Catch plant, catch plant bodies.
Yeah, I'm definitely trying to learn, man. In fact, eat cooked fruit. Still trying to process that. Been living a lie.
Yeah, because a lot of the things that we thought were vegetables, she was saying, y'all eating cooked fruit.
Cooked fruit is crazy, yo. Um,
But it's true.
no, it is. But if you don't know no better, listen, man. One of the things I recognize as I got older and start trying to get my life right, hiring the right folks is my entire childhood, even like early adulthood. I
A
had no
lie.
idea. I had no idea about food.
Absolute lie.
I just didn't know. I didn't know. Well, first of all, when you go to school and they tell you what a proper plate is, and then you get older
Yeah.
and you realize that was paid for, you're
Fake
like, hold on,
ass
it's
proper
all
plate.
yo. Everything's a lie, yo. Another great book, by the way. Lies my teacher told me. Hard
Yes,
work is trash.
indeed.
Planning. Listen, that's what it's about. They did what they were doing. They destroyed Black Wall Street. Yeah,
Man. Yeah, they did. every time they did it because they didn't just do it once.
That's a good question, Lance. What we do about Stimmy sentiment? Like, you know what I'm saying? We pricing in the Stimmy sentiment. I got to think about that. Like, how's that gonna affect our moves for next week?
Yeah, I think the market going to take a little dip, and then it's going,
Pop back up.
it's going, it's going to run, it's going to gump on us after it take that little dip. Okay, that's
I'm
his
gonna
personal
pull
page
you up on IG right now.
and his business.
DJ Tiny 1482. Let's see what your IG page look like.
Any Instagram models on there?
Let me see if he got. I don't call them Instagram models. I call them libs. LIBS. They stand for link in the bio. So I don't know. I don't know if he got any link in the bio. No, he don't got no link in the bios on this page, man. It's an upstanding brother right here, man.
Oh, hey, that was his personal. I ain't asked about his business. You know what I mean?
You try to say you got some libs on your personal page, bro?
I'm trying to say I'm a grown man. Mind my business. I like beautiful things. I don't care. I like beautiful things.
Got you. Hey, there she pulled up. There you go. The bat said, "What's up, Nadia? How are you?" If it has seeds, it's fruit. And by the way, Nadia, we were talking glowingly about you.
Yeah, because you do the thing.
And listen, sorry. So Lance is with me, man. She murdered the entire flour bread. She not ready to upgrade the food. Lance, so it ain't just me. I feel better now. It ain't just me. I'm terrible, yo. Listen, I'm a work in progress, though. I'm gonna get it together. I'm gonna get it together, man. I'm gonna get it together.
Oh man.
Every time I open up an apple and pull out the seeds, I scream, they lied to us. Boogeyman Gates Scout, folks are repeating that it's a food shortage. Lies. The shortage of knowledge people have about growing their own food. And that's it. Ooh.
Oh, bars. Okay, on.
Slim to none. It's a regular guy living life.
Man.
I got you, bro. Definitely gonna follow you on IG. Make sure you follow back, bro. I'm JW the Blueprint. So I grew up listening to Wu-Tang Killer Priest says in the song, "Why should you die to go to heaven?" Man, listen. Yo, you a Killer Priest fan, Lance? I didn't know that.
Listen.
I didn't know Lance like Killer Priest.
Yo, Lance is a hip hop head. You underestimating her, man.
Listen, Killer Priest has one of my favorite songs of all the time. It's called Black August. Amazing. I'm gonna leave it at that. Oh, absolutely, man. Listen, you do good work. We always pick up all of our folks that do good work.
In the garden, all that back-breaking work. Oh, okay. Nadia has a YouTube live on Sunday to help y'all get started.
Okay, listen, I got to pull up or at least watch the replay, man. Because
Can you put the time in the comments, Nadia?
Yeah, because I got to pull up, but I'm gonna send some folks your way, man. Because I'm out here, doing.
Because we also have a class we do on Sunday, and so I just want to make sure it doesn't.
That's why I said even if I don't see it, I watch the replay because if it's at the same time as ours, because I'm out here killing veggies and I don't want to be murdering the veggies, man. Like I'm doing them dirty though. The entire heavy metal album. Okay, all right, Lance.
6 p.m.
All right, cool. So I can pull up because we gonna start ours at 7 p.m. I can, you know what I'm saying? So
yeah, we got an hour.
That's what's up. I'm gonna definitely check you out on Sunday, man. Make sure I'm okay because before this season start, man. I'm trying to start now because that's another thing people told me, like you can't wait and then start like right in the season. You gotta like be prepared. Like it's a it's a lifestyle, I guess.
Yes, it is.
Anyway,
it's like a lot of things. Yeah,
so
she dropped the link in there. She dropped the link.
That's her IG.
The Instagram link.
Okay, yeah, I follow her. I'm already on her page. I'm on her page, crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Listen, that's another reason, man. That's another reason I gotta get my farm together, man. To get my content on IG popping, man. In the middle of me talking about metals, sharing ratchet memes, I need some farming to like kind of balance it out. You know what I mean? I need to work
trying to be ratchet and you trying to be respectful and ratchet at the same time.
Listen, man. I'm trying to have some balance, man. You know what I'm saying? A little bit of balance, man.
Yo, some people don't believe in balance, man.
I mean, listen, man. What's the saying? No, I ain't gonna quote that one. I'm gonna leave that alone.
Yeah,
but anyway,
some people will say go hard or go home. Pause.
YouTube.com/Urban Farm Systems.
One, no, only one sister. No S at the end.
Mm-hmm. Okay, we got a lot of Killer Priest fans in here. Yo, this is dope. I didn't know y'all like Killer Priest. That's crazy. Listen, matter of fact, I'm gonna listen to that as soon as I get off here, man. Information. I haven't heard that in sheesh.
Yeah.
New album, Lord Son is Fire. Absolutely.
Damn, I didn't even know. We walked into a Killer Priest, we into the fan
Yo,
club. Yeah, I
listen,
thought he had like 11 fans. My man got a whole fan
listen.
club.
Heavy Mental is crazy. I absolutely love Heavy Mental. I gotta definitely compare it to Murals because when Lupe wrote Murals, Lupe was on a spaceship because Lupe went insane on Murals. And I noticed like, yo, this is By the Hoods Friday. Why are you talking about Lupe? Yo, Lupe Murals is one of the greatest songs I've ever heard in my life. The only song I think might be compared to that in terms of like me making a stink face might be the first time I heard Poet Laureate 2 by Cannabis. But anyway,
Yeah. Yeah. Poet Laureate 2 by Cannabis. I made the same stink face when I heard the Black Thought freestyle.
yeah, I mean, Black Thought, that's from Philly, so that my Philly bias is there. But
No,
Mural,
man.
when I
He was
first,
saying some
oh, no,
he
no,
was
no,
saying
no,
some
no, no, he definitely
extra
did.
crazy
That's not what I'm saying.
and
But
Lupe Murals is tough.
Lupe
But
on Murals is like, bro,
it's
he,
tough.
he was he was in space when he wrote that. But listen to Poet Laureate 2 from Cannabis, like in the, But anyway, man. With all that being said, man, we've been in here for a while, man. I didn't know we had this many hip hop heads, man. Salute to y'all for that, man. I'm about to go listen to Killer Priest right now. Like
Yo,
I said,
spend your stimmy
heavy
on
mental
whatever the hell you want.
information. So let's
But
leave it with this. Let's talk about the Stimmy, man. Go
if
spend your Stimmy
you
on whatever you want. Have fun, ball out. Like Brent said, he about to get some prostitutes, man. Whatever he got to do, man. Let's be safe though. All I'm saying is be safe. If you out in
and
the
and
street, be safe.
and if you want 50% off our products, type stimmy with the Y and get 50% off
There you
our
go.
products.
And make sure you can send that to your family and friends, yo. Mache, I did see that. I saw the thing on Discord just pop up on my phone said that about 1/3 has been sent out already. I don't know if I'm part of that 1/3, but I don't know. But tell your family and friends 50% off. Go to our both our stock courses, our metals course, intro to price action. 50% off. Discount code STIMMY, STIMMY. Discount code STIMMY. I see somebody copped already. So shout out to whoever copped with the Stimmy package. You know what I'm saying? We got our own Stimmy hitting the streets, man. So you can learn how to flip this bread. And we will be looking out for them Top Shot packs, man. But thank you guys for tuning in this Friday. Also, just to give you an update on everything we got going on, make sure you're there Sunday. We got an amazing announcement that's hitting on Sunday morning when we go to church. Something we've been working on, and we finally got it together. It's going to be amazing. That Sunday morning. Our next podcast next Wednesday that'll drop. That's featuring the Ivy Investor and the Finance Rebel talking about taxes. Um, so make sure you check that out next Wednesday. On Sunday we have the Black Wealth Project with myself, Corey. We got Real Estate Tracy, who's a legend. And by the way, for y'all who don't know that how much of a legend Real Estate Tracy is, go to Google's and look up Tracy when she was on HGTV. She
Her
doesn't
name's
share that
Tracy
enough.
Powell.
Yeah,
Tracy Powell.
she doesn't share that enough. But Tracy was on HGTV. She's a legend. Also we got as seen in the Jasmine brand, Coach Carter. You know what I'm saying? He's hot in the streets right now, man. So, and then we got the Ivy Investor and the Finance Rebel. Check us out Sunday on the Black Wealth Project. Hey, Michelle, I see you in the comments, by the way. I'm never giving that LeBron away. They're going to listen. When I'm dead and gone, I'm leaving it in my will at my wake. And I want y'all to matter of fact, I don't care what part of the country y'all, and pull up to my wake because it's going to be lit. We're going to play Lupe Murals and we're going to show all my top shots. And like, you know what I'm saying? They're going to play them in a constant row right there and right my wake, man. It's gonna be fire, man. You know what I'm saying? Fried chicken, sway interviews, all that's going down at Jimmy's wake. I'm planning it right now. It's gonna be fire. Oh yeah, and also at my wake, I could promise you that, you know what I'm saying, leave the door open. It's gonna be played a couple times. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm not trying to go anywhere anytime soon, by the way. I'm just saying I'm planning this out for maybe 40, 50 years down the line. That's all I'm saying. You know what I mean? Like I ain't trying to go nowhere, but
Listen, that sounds like hella fun.
listen, man. Listen, man, what you know about fried chicken? I'm not talking about at the repast either. I'm talking about during the celebration. my NBA top shots is flown. Everybody, you know what I mean, fried chicken, you know what I mean, and step in the name of. Well, I can't say step in the name of. Take that back. My fault. Can't
Yeah.
can't play
You
that.
can't play that.
All right, so it's replaced. Then leave the door open is replaced. Step in the name.
You can't play that. You go,
Yo,
like, yo, this nigga tripping. It's death.
I hate Bull for a different reason. I hate him because I hate him because all that beautiful music I can't listen to no more.
Yeah, he fucked it all up.
Oh, he said he thought that was a special announcement. Hell no. Ain't nobody getting that LeBron, yo. They ain't getting that LeBron. The special announcement you'll see is revolutionary. We about to change the game with this next move we making. But with that being said, man, thank you folks for tuning in, man. You know, check us out online, man. One of my top 6 Wu albums. Which one you talking about, Jamil?
He probably talking about the Killer Priest Joint. The
Black
one he
August?
put up. The one he just put up in the comments.
Okay. Yo, y'all gotta listen to Black August, man. Black August is where it's at. In terms of Killer Priest. That's my favorite Killer Priest album. In terms of my favorite Wu album, he said, what they gonna do, cancel you?
He already did.
I mean, this is true. They can't cancel me, man, but But I got a new song though. My song has been replaced though, so I'm good now, man. Oh, Heavy Mental. I'm gonna go listen to Heavy Mental right now. Matter of fact, let me write these down because y'all think I'm joking. It's Heavy Mental. What's the other one you shared? You said I should listen to right now. Oh, Information. Okay, Information and Heavy Mental. I'm writing them down right now. All right, got you. But thank you guys, man. Check us out in the group. Any questions, need any kind of help with anything, make sure you reach out to us. We're always here to try to help the community. Anything that we can do, we'll be here to do. So want to thank you guys for always tuning in and kicking it with us. Make sure you share this episode, talk about what we're doing and share it to your folks, man. They trying to get into the university. They trying to kick it with us.
Yeah, they're going to want to be there for Sunday.
Use that code STIMMY. STIMMY, man. But we appreciate you, man. Go ahead.
Use your code. Use your affiliate link so you can get a couple of those dollars too, man. We ain't really just trying to hoard all the dollars.
Yeah.
Use your affiliate code. So just like you use your affiliate code for your Fold card and all that, use your affiliate code when you bring people in. Buy it for somebody that you want to be in, right? Yeah. Instead, and then use your affiliate code. That's an easy. I just gave you a hack. Use your affiliate code and the link. You got 50% off and another 50% off because you get half the money. Like, let's go. We're trying to help as many people as possible.
Absolutely. So here's the thing, though. They use the Stimmy code. That's 50% off. Then if you use your code, you get half or whatever that is. But anyway,
that's what I'm saying.
The cannabis track is called Poet Laureate 2, number 2, Poet Laureate 2, and he left Earth. So I'm about to get in. I'm about to go binge some hip hop now. I got to listen to Lupe. I got to listen to Killer Priest, and I'm about to listen to Poet Laureate 2, man. So y'all got me in my hip hop bag tonight. Between the pastor giving me a sermon, this is an amazing night, man. This is an amazing talk. Yeah. And I can smell crab legs in the air, so it's lit.
Yo, I can feel it in the air. Yo, that's another amazing song.
Yo, thank you guys for tuning in, this Friday with us, man. We'll see you all online everywhere. But we appreciate and love y'all. Like, seriously, we really do, because the inboxes and messages that we get, man, is better than any money. Like, you can't even, like, Jamil, shoot me an inbox. I'll hook you up, bro. Adrian, listen, the NFT class is where it's at. But have a great evening. Have a great weekend. Enjoy the crab legs. You know what I'm saying? Dip it in some butter, though, for me. Like, dip it in some butter, put on that, Bruno Mars, and just, salute me. That's all. I'll see y'all next week, yo. Peace.
Peace.